In today's video, I'm going to be testing out this LED stage light bar by OPPSK that I bought on Amazon. So let's get it started. And as always, the item that I'm reviewing is going to be down in the description. So if you want to click that link, you guys can learn more about that light there. Or if you want to purchase it, you can do that as well. Also, there's going to be links to everything else that I'm using, from the cameras to the microphones to the lighting equipment. Those will be down in the description as well. And you guys can go check those out. Okay. Obviously it's very big. It's a big light bar. And if you notice, I actually have it on behind me right now. So this is the light bar. This is what you're seeing. I just have it set to a red. I don't know. Red matched the chair. That looked pretty good. So we're just going with a red. As I said at the beginning, I purchased this on Amazon for $144. This is meant for like stage lighting. You can use that as a church. You can use it for concerts. You can use it for stages, like if you're doing a performance of some kind, high school plays. I mean, you can use it for all kinds of different stuff. Now, I do want you to know that this brightness of it, I actually have the dimmer on the top of the bar there. So it kind of dims the light a little bit. So it's not just super crazy bright and blown out. So keep that in mind as you're looking behind me. So you can use a RDM and a DMX control with this light, which makes this really cool. Now, I do not have that with me, so you're not going to be able to see that demonstration today. However, it has all the plugs, has the inputs and outputs, all that good stuff for you to connect right to the RDM and DMX. So you look at the unit itself, it has its adjustable brackets, has its DMX in, has its DMX out, it has its power in, and also a power out, which is nice because if you get two of these, you can run them side by side, just plug the other one right into it, and then you could have them side by side. It uses a 3-pin plug, super easy to plug into any outlet. It is a 120 watt RGBW LED light system itself, so that's the power that you're gonna have behind these lights. It has a metal shell, which is nice for durability. And then you have an LED display in the back showing you what actual program you're using within the light system. Let's get into some of the technical stuff. And I'm gonna read this because I can't memorize all this. It's just too much. So we have every 3 LED beads as a pixel mapping. You have 12 independently controllable zones, which means the unit can also be used to generate eye candy effects. That's what they wrote here. Tons of built-in effect programs, which increasing speed to 0 to 100%. You're going to see that. I'm going to show you that right now. Enable the lighting designers within the creative, vibrant color washes from the compact fixture. So you can do all kinds of stuff with this light. That's something else here that I just read and I forgot to say. The power cords itself, they are locking. So you put them in, you click them to the side, which is so nice because if you're moving or somebody kicks the cable or something, you don't want to be in the middle of a concert or church service. The musician kicks over the thing and then boom, it unconnects and there goes your lights. Well done. And like I said, it does have the mount system. So you can mount it to the ceiling, you can mount it to a wall, you can mount it to the floor, you can like keep it there stable. I don't know why you'd want to mount it to a floor, but you could if you wanted to. But anyway, with that mounting system, it gives you some options. For the actual length, because people are probably like, how long is it? It's 39 inches long. So you're looking at about 3 feet and a few inches there, 3 feet, 3 feet, 3 inches, 0.4, 3 feet, 3.4 inches. There you go. Got it. Did I get it? I don't know. Write it down in the comments. Did I get it or not? Now I'm going to show you guys the light. We're going to see all the different colors, all the different features. Well, not all of them, but some of them. There's just too many. But anyway, I'm going to show you some of those now. So let's go check it out. Remember, I do not have an RDM to control like a DMX with a DMX control, so we can't, do some of that stuff. However, I will show you some of the lights manually. So some of the pros of this light are, of course, the ability to do so much with it. You can really do so much with this light. It's a lot of fun. I could sit here for hours just playing with it, hitting different buttons and doing all kinds of different flashing lights and colors and schemes and different things that this light can actually do. So I think that's a pro. Another pro is the locking power cable. I know that sounds so simple and so silly, but it actually makes a difference. It really does. Another pro is the fact that if you want to just have the LED lights really bright, you can, or if you want to put the sleeve on top and dim them down a little bit, you can do that as well. Pretty nice feature. As far as the cons go, the only con I can think of is the back of the unit itself. Now, most people are not going to be using these buttons, all the little power buttons on the back that you guys saw. They're made out of plastic. Whenever anything's made out of plastic, I'm always afraid of how long they're going to last. Are they going to break? Are they not? That's the only concern I really have with this light. However, again, if you're connected to a DMX system, you're not going to be using that. You're going to be using your controls. It's going to be plugged in. You'll be doing everything from that. So I don't see it being a huge problem, but that's just one of the only things that I really noticed that I'm like, I don't know if I like the plastic back here. Typically, most items that you buy, the buttons are plastic, so I get it. So anyhow, that's the only con I can think of. Now it's time to decide if this is worth your purchase, because that's what we do here at Dad's Den. For $144 currently on Amazon. I'll leave a link down in the description again, as I told you earlier. You guys can go check it out. But for $144, yeah, I'm going to give it the Dad's Den stamp of approval. It worked perfectly. It works the way it says. It's for $144. There's a lot of features to it. You can use this in multiple ways. So I don't have to use it in multiple ways. I just have my studio here to record in. But if you have those other scenarios, stages, plays, not movies. I guess you could use it for a movie. Background, maybe flashing light, like cop light or something. But anyway, with all the different things that you can use this for, I do see it being a very good value, and I think it has some good features to it. So Dad's Den stamp of approval. Again, link will be down in the description if you want to learn more about this light, or if you want to learn more about anything else I'm using to record this video. Everything is down in the description. If you purchase anything on Amazon from those links, it actually helps me. So help a brother out. I would appreciate it. Anyhow, thank you guys for watching. Go watch this video right here.